What is the science behind PET scan imaging? Imagine a way to see inside the body that goes beyond just looking at the structure. Positron emission tomography, or PET scan, is a powerful imaging tool that reveals how organs and tissues are functioning at a cellular level. It works by using special substances called radiotracers, which are molecules tagged with tiny radioactive particles. These tracers are designed to participate in normal biological processes, especially those related to metabolism and activity. When a radiotracer is injected into a patient, it travels through the bloodstream and is absorbed by tissues based on their activity level. For example, in the case of colon health and colon cancer, cancer cells tend to consume more glucose than normal cells because they are more metabolically active. A common radiotracer used is a glucose analog labeled with fluorine 18. This tracer is taken up more by cancerous tissues, making them stand out during imaging. The science behind PET imaging involves the decay of the radioactive part of the tracer. The radionuclide emits a positron, which is the antimatter equivalent of an electron. This positron travels a very short distance in the tissue before it encounters an electron. When they meet, they annihilate each other, and their combined mass is converted into energy in the form of gamma photons. These photons are emitted in opposite directions, each with an energy of 511 kiloelectronvolts. The PET scanner is equipped with a ring of detectors surrounding the patient. When the two gamma photons are emitted, the detectors pick them up nearly simultaneously. This coincidence detection allows the system to determine the exact line along which the annihilation occurred. By collecting millions of these events, the scanner can piece together a detailed map of where the radiotracer has accumulated. Using advanced computer algorithms, the PET system reconstructs a three-dimensional image showing the distribution of the tracer within the body. Bright spots on the image indicate areas with high metabolic activity, which could suggest the presence of a tumor or other abnormality. This makes PET scans especially useful for diagnosing, staging, and monitoring colon cancer, as they can detect early biochemical changes before structural abnormalities become apparent. Unlike other imaging methods like CORT or MRI that primarily show anatomy, PET provides functional information about how tissues are working. This is particularly helpful in identifying cancer activity, assessing how well treatment is working, and distinguishing between benign and malignant growths. The ability to visualize metabolic processes at a molecular level makes PET a vital tool in modern medicine for understanding complex diseases like colon cancer. In summary, PET scan imaging relies on detecting gamma photons produced when radioactive tracers, concentrated in active tissues, undergo positron-electron annihilation. This technology enables doctors to see not just what the body looks like, but how it functions at a cellular level. Always remember to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and interpretation of imaging results, as individual cases can vary widely.